Greetings, digital explorers. Welcome to our community where we unravel the secrets of making money online and mastering digital marketing strategies. We are all about breaking free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind, and we do this by providing insights on affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media, and more. So why not join us? Subscribe now for weekly tips, tutorials, and strategies that will elevate your online success. Today, we're diving into the world of blogging and how it can be a profitable venture for you. So, why start a blog? The answer is simple. It's a powerful tool to express your passion and earn income at the same time. Blogging allows you to share your expertise with a wider audience. It's an opportunity to create a space where you can provide value, inspire others, and even drive change. But it's not just about sharing your thoughts. It's also about building an online presence, a brand that represents you, your values, and your expertise. This presence can open doors to numerous opportunities, from partnerships and collaborations to speaking gigs and more. Moreover, a blog can be a profitable venture. Many successful bloggers have turned their passion into a full-time job, earning a substantial income through ad revenue, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and more. Take a moment to visualize this, a platform where you're free to express, connect, inspire, and earn. Intrigued? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of starting your own profitable blog. The first step to starting a profitable blog is finding your niche. It's like finding your home in the vast digital landscape. Your niche is a specific area or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's where you'll build your digital empire. You might be interested in technology, fashion, health and wellness, or personal finance. These are all great niches. But remember, your chosen niche must also have market demand. One way to gauge this is through keyword research to see what people are searching for online. Let's say you're passionate about sustainable living. You can use keyword research tools to see if there's interest in this topic. If people are searching for sustainable living tips or how to live sustainably, then you're onto something. Think of your niche as the foundation of your blog. It's what all your content, marketing, and monetization strategies will be built upon. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. The foundation of your blogging journey begins with choosing the right blogging platform. Now, there are numerous platforms out there, each with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. The big names you might have heard of include WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr, but there's also Medium, Ghost, and Squarespace to consider. Let's dive in. WordPress is the powerhouse of the blogging world, offering great flexibility and a massive library of plugins. But it can be a bit complex for beginners. Blogger, on the other hand, is much simpler to use but lacks some of the customization options. Tumblr is fantastic for microblogging and visual content, while Medium provides a clean, distraction-free writing environment. Ghost is all about simplicity and speed, and Squarespace is renowned for its stunning designer templates. But remember, the best platform for you is one that is user-friendly and SEO-friendly. It should align with your blogging goals and cater to your technical skills. With your platform chosen, you're ready for the next step. Before we move on, let's talk about a tool that can supercharge your blogging efforts: GetResponse. This powerful platform is more than just an email marketing software. It's an all-in-one solution for bloggers who want to engage their audience, convert visitors into subscribers, and automate their marketing processes. Imagine having a tool that lets you create stunning landing pages, manage your email list, and set up automated workflows all in one place. With GetResponse, you can do all that and more. It's like having an extra pair of hands helping you run your blog. But the best part? GetResponse is designed for all levels of users. Whether you're a blogging newbie or a seasoned pro, this tool is easy to use and highly effective. So, ready to take your blog to the next level? Check out GetResponse using the affiliate link in the description below. Now, let's continue with our next step. Scene script. Content is king in the blogging world, so our third step is all about creating quality content. The heart of any blog is its content. It's the meat and potatoes that keep your readers coming back for more. But what exactly is quality content? It's content that provides value, that's unique, and that engages your readers. It's content that sets you apart from the rest of the noise on the internet. Creating valuable content starts with understanding your audience. You need to know what they want to read about, what problems they're trying to solve, and how you can help them. Once you've got a good grasp on that, you can start crafting content that meets their needs. Now, unique content is a bit trickier. It's easy to fall into the trap of rehashing what's already been said, But your readers aren't looking for a copy-paste job. They're looking for your unique perspective, your unique insights. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your content. It's what makes your blog truly yours. And then there's engaging content. This is content that not only draws your readers in, but keeps them on your page. How do you achieve this? By making your content interactive. Ask questions, encourage comments, include calls to action. Give your readers a reason to engage with your content. But creating quality content is only half the battle. You also need to make sure your content is SEO friendly. SEO, or search engine optimization, is what helps your blog get found on search engines. It involves strategically using keywords, creating engaging meta descriptions, and linking to relevant content. It's a bit of a science, but with a little practice, you can master it. Remember, quality content isn't about quantity. It's not about churning out post after post. It's about creating content that resonates with your readers, that provides value, and that keeps them coming back for more. With great content, you're one step closer to running a profitable blog. You've set up your blog and created great content. Now, it's time to promote your blog. Promotion is the key to getting your blog out there and attracting a loyal audience. After all, even the most captivating content is ineffective if no one sees it. Here are a few strategies you should consider. First, social media marketing. It's a powerful tool in your promotional arsenal. Share your blog posts on platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Create engaging posts to entice your followers to click through and read your blog. Don't forget to engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and be active on these platforms. Next, email marketing. This is a more personal way to reach your audience. Start by building an email list. You can offer a freebie like an ebook or a discount code to incentivize people to sign up. Once you have a list, send out regular newsletters with links to your latest posts. Remember to keep your emails interesting, valuable, and not overly promotional to maintain your subscribers' interest. Last but not least, search engine optimization, or SEO. This involves optimizing your blog posts so they rank higher in search engine results. Use keywords related to your niche in your blog posts. Remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords. Your content also needs to be high quality and relevant to the keywords. As we dive into these promotional strategies, one thing to keep in mind is consistency. Regular promotion is key to increase visibility and traffic. Whether it's posting on social media, sending out newsletters, or optimizing for SEO, do it consistently. And don't forget to measure your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your blog's traffic and identify which promotional strategies are working best. This way, you can adjust your strategies based on what's working and what's not. Remember, promoting your blog is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires time and effort. But with the right strategies, you can increase your blog's visibility, attract a loyal audience, and ultimately, monetize your blog. With the right promotion strategies, you're ready to turn your blog into a money-making machine. Starting a profitable blog may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. We've covered the importance of defining your niche, selecting the right platform, creating quality content, and promoting your blog effectively. Each of these steps is a critical building block to establishing a blog that doesn't just exist, but thrives and profits. Our highlighted tool, GetResponse, is an excellent resource to support your blogging journey. From email marketing to landing pages, it's a comprehensive tool that can significantly enhance your digital presence. The link for this product can be found in the description below. While the process may seem complex, remember that every successful blogger started exactly where you are right now. They had an idea, a passion, and a willingness to learn. They took that first step and then the next, until they built something remarkable. Your journey may be filled with trials and errors, but each misstep is a learning opportunity, guiding you closer to your ultimate goal. Now, it's your turn. Embrace the challenge, commit to the process, and start your blogging journey today. As you advance, remember to continually learn, adapt, and grow. The digital world is constantly evolving, and so should your blog. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, so take that step today and start your blogging journey. Until next time, keep exploring the digital world.